problem that I was having with my MIG welder was that I couldn't figure out how to set the thing up to use flux core wire. I needed to reverse the polarity. So after a whole weekend of checking with people online, trying to get information on Google, yeah, it just didn't work, or I didn't come up with anything. So the issue was that in order to weld with flux core wire, the polarity, what I assumed was this plus and this minus here, needed to be reversed. And with this particular machine, that gets done by swapping these wires around, which I did. However, what I didn't realize was that nothing changes here. So I had the earth clamp in the positive pole, which is opposite to what it's supposed to be, which I took, I understood as reverse the polarity. But in me putting the earth clamp in the plus, I was essentially putting the earth clamp and the torch on the same connection. So nothing was happening, obviously. Yeah, so I later figured out that leave the earth clamp in there because you're swapping the polarity on the inside, and then the thing will, well, should work. That sorted, I then thought, okay, yeah, we're gonna weld. And then we didn't weld. All I was getting was like minimal sparks, and as you can see, I was just getting bunches and bunches of wire, MIG wire, feeding with no arc. I then took the machine to work where our resident welding guru, Shafiek, immediately noticed what the problem was. It was the tip. Let me just focus on that. Yes, so the welding tip was shot to hell and gone, which is causing a short and making the thing not weld. So we promptly went out and bought a new tip, new shroud, new tip adapter, and the thing is welding like a champ. So back in business again. Well, essentially back in business, or in business for the first time now. So I am going to attempt my first ever weld now. Yeah, let's see if I can actually join two pieces of metal with my glorified metal glue gun.